Hi guys, this is Shai. Today I'm going to show you how to make pina colada. Actually, pina colada, when you're taking your order, you need to make sure there's two ways to make. One blended and one is shaken. So you need to always ask what they want. Like some people they like shaking, so you take shaking order. So I'm going to show you how to shake your cocktail with pina colada. Let's see. So take the glass, put the shaking cocktail. So here, so Batadi is a 2 gram, so you pour 50 ml. Is cream. Is 15 to 20. You need to make sure you put. And there is coconut cream. Actually, come here, come close. Actually, this coconut cream you can use syrup, you can use puree, and then you can use milk as well. Coconut, make sure you have it. So here, this one, 95. And here, the pineapple juice. Pineapple juice depends on glasses, your size. Depends always. So I have the bigger glass, so I need to make sure it's supposed to be here. So I put 100 ml or more than 100 ml. So this is my one, so I put a little bit more. So this is cocktail, you need to hard shake. So you put the pineapple juice, you put cream, you put syrup, so you need to hard shake. So you can make it more creamy. So here, garnish will be pineapple and pineapple leaves. You can leave it pineapple leaves, but that's how you serve. So the